Campbell Point Recreation Area is located near Shell Knob, Missouri on beautiful Table Rock Lake, as shown here in red. It's about 45 minutes north of Eureka Springs, Arkansas, and about an hour west of Branson, Missouri. Join us as we drive through the property, and be sure to stay till the end for an animated map showing you the easiest way to get here. Campbell Point Recreation Area, a Corps of Engineers property, is a captivating destination for outdoor lovers and adventure seekers. Situated along the shimmering waters of Table Rock Lake, this pristine park offers a variety of amenities and activities to make your stay unforgettable. Now, I'm not sure how we missed driving by the marina, but here is an aerial view to show you what it looks like. One of the many highlights of Campbell Point Recreation Area is its marina. If you're a boating enthusiast or simply want to explore Table Rock Lake's crystal clear waters, the marina has everything you need. Another highlight is Watson's on the Waters restaurant. Walk in or float up for some great food and some live entertainment. For those of you who prefer to stay on land, the park has you covered. There are several scenic hiking trails that wind through the woods, offering breathtaking views, so lace up your hiking boots and get ready to immerse yourself in nature's splendor. The campground boasts a generous number of RV camping spots, ensuring there's ample room for everyone seeking the perfect spot to park their home away from home. Whether you have a small camper or a medium-sized motorhome, you'll find the perfect place to settle in and soak up the beauty of the surrounding nature. We wouldn't recommend rigs larger than 32 feet due to the tight roads in the camping areas. For those of you who prefer traditional camping experiences, the park offers lots of tent spots where you can wake up to the sounds of nature and the fresh scent of the forest. Campbell Point Recreation Area provides clean and well-maintained restrooms and shower facilities, ensuring your comfort and convenience during your stay. These facilities are placed throughout the campground, making them easily accessible. The park offers a range of day-use facilities for people who want to enjoy the great outdoors without camping. These include picnic tables, grills, and spacious shelters that are perfect for a family gathering or a peaceful lakeside picnic. Camping at Campbell Park Recreational Area near Sherrill Knob, Missouri is a great place to reconnect with loved ones and create memories that will last a lifetime. It truly is a slice of paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. As the day draws close to an end, gather around a crackling campfire with friends and family. Share stories, roast marshmallows, and experience the tranquility of the evening under the starry sky. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you are finding this video to be helpful. Leave us a comment if you've ever stayed here or if you would like to in the future. Then subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. It's all free and it will let us know that we're doing something helpful for others. Whether you're seeking a weekend getaway or a longer vacation, this remarkable destination has something for everyone, so come on out and discover the wonders of nature, immerse yourself in outdoor activities, and create unforgettable memories that you will cherish for a lifetime. Be sure to have your National Parks Pass in hand to get free access to the day use area, as well as 50% off the camping fees. Coming from Harrison, Arkansas, or Branson, Missouri on Highway 65, take Highway 86 west approximately 24 miles to Carr Lane, Missouri. Turn right onto Highway 39 north and travel 10 miles. After crossing the Table Rock Lake Bridge, turn right onto Missouri State Highway YY and travel 4 miles. Turn left onto Campbell Point Road and the park entrance will be straight ahead. Thank you for spending some time with us today. We hope this video has been helpful for you and your family. Be sure to check out our other videos shown here and tell your friends about us. We wish you safe travels and remember, have fun, let's travel.